Pedestrians and bicyclists crossing the Russell Street Bridge have to find an alternative route tomorrow and Wednesday because crews are prepping the aging bridge for what is expected to be its last winter. Make a note, you'll want an alternative route tomorrow. The Montana Department of Transportation will be spending the next 2 days, Tuesday and Wednesday, resurfacing the Russell Street Bridge to squeeze one last year of service out of it. It's going to be done to help mitigate potholes and other damage this deteriorating bridge often experiences every winter. By the fall of 2018, MDT and city crews plan to have the first half of the new bridge completed, at which point the existing bridge will be demolished. That's when the second half of the new bridge will then be built. The finished bridge will have 2 northbound lanes, 2 southbound lanes, even a center lane, and should be open to traffic by fall of 2019. Now, since it's a major thoroughfare, Mountain Line is redirecting its Route 2 Bolt service from Russell Street to Orange so people can still get to where they need to go. So because of that, there could be some delays in bus service while crews work. Bidding to select a contractor should begin in late September, and depending on how that goes, construction on the new Russell Street Bridge could actually begin in about 2 months.